So today's, on the days of our lives, we have a customer's vehicle here, 88, 89, 90 model F150. We did a frame switch on this truck, probably say the beginning of the year, I want to say, and then we straight axled it. And of course, we, like everything else, you got to go in there and dust the frame, make sure the frame's going to hold for the straight axle, because these trucks are notorious for the frames bending inward whenever they straight axle them and they put the radius arms on them. The radius arm has so much pressure going onto the frame, whether it's a straight axle or that rough country lift. The rough country lifts are real bad on these frames, on these year model trucks. But he had a problem with the transmission. He had the AODE in it. Transmission didn't know where to shift, whether automatic, because it's automatic and it's the electric one, so it's going in and out of overdrive. So I was like, well, let's put a C6 in it. So got a C6 rebuilt by one of my buddies, runs a shop in Tampa, great guy. Got it all done, little shift kit in it, but because it had an AODE in it, everything as far as crossmember wise is different. So they told me I needed to build a cross member for it, which is not a problem. Get some tubing, a couple of tabs, bend some plate, make it, whatever. Not a big deal. But get down here for further inspection. After 3 other people in my shop looked at it and said I needed to build one. I was like, why do we need to build one when we can just put the one that goes in at factory and put everything the way it's supposed to be? When I say everything that's the way it's supposed to be, is put the transmission mount in there the correct way. That way the bolts actually go towards the back. Put all the bolts in it. That's the big thing. I mean, I don't know why we're going to put a cross member in it or a transmission mount and not have everything in it. But hey, it is what it is. Who do I want to know? But here we are. I went to my parts trailer, found the right cross member, full drive. Normally they're stamped on the bottom of these cross members, but if you really don't know and you need to know, a 2-wheel drive transmission is pretty much flat all the way across. This cross member right here is for C6, AOD, and the M5OD, 2-wheel drive, because it's flat. And some guys like them flat, but the 4-wheel drive guys like to have a little curve in them, you know, towards the bottom. So that's the biggest thing, is just finding the right cross member.
I think Robbie 10 Kids like a little curve on the bottom.
Yeah, I think he has a little bit too much curve on the bottom. Well, we're going to do it this way. Go for it. We're probably going to have to pull that bolt out of the front to get it in there. You get it in there? Yep. Slide it back. Slide it. You have to hit it. No, the other way. Keep going. Boat.
It's caught.
Well, the biggest problem is, remember that boat I said we're going to have to pull out? You need to pull them out. Because it's going to hit them regardless. Where's your sockets? Like I said, you don't have to worry about pulling these bolts out. This thing's welded solid in there.
19 or something.
Yeah, I just need a wrench for the top.
Same size?
Probably the same thing. Here, try that on there. It's 21. And bring a hammer with you. But other than that, it should be a simple fix. You got the right parts. I'm not saying, but I know a guy that has all the parts that you need. You know, we know a guy.